there, thank you so much for watching. I wanted to share my after work cleaning routine to get you motivated and to get our space ready for the next day. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this, and let's get started. I'm starting off in the kitchen. I feel like the kitchen is always a disaster since being at home. From pots and pans, plates, utensils, there's always a mess. It can get overwhelming if it's not wiped down frequently. I'm going to put away the dry items in the dish drainer before washing the dishes in the sink. We have been using the dishwasher a lot more as an extra precaution. It's also so much easier. I don't know, I feel like somehow it will sanitize the dishes better than me doing it manually. The downside is that we're using it almost every day, so we have to load and unload. So random, but if you're wondering what I'm drinking, Quentin and I are big boba tea lovers, and since we're trying to stay home as much as possible, he made some at home. It was just as good as going out and buying it, and all of the items can be purchased on Amazon. Am I the only one that has been the ultimate foodie this quarantine? I've been really wanting to try out new recipes while we're all home. I've made a few that I've loved and made a few up on my own. Let me know if you're the same way, and feel free to share your recipes down in the comments. I've also randomly started a container garden on my balcony. I have a few veggies and herbs currently germinating, and I cannot wait to show you how everything is growing this summer. Honestly, you guys, if you need a good hobby during this time, I highly suggest gardening. It is so exciting. Growing your own food, it's giving me something to look forward to, and it is so therapeutic. I followed a couple of accounts on Instagram, and I love just going through their feed and seeing all of the cool things you can grow in your backyard. For the kitchen, I'm using the Mrs. Meyers Lemon Verbena Multi-Surface Spray. I love using this for quick pickups because it leaves a pleasant scent. At least twice a day, I like to go through with a Clorox wipe and wipe down the counters and high-touch areas to make sure they are disinfected. Quentin's friend was able to give us a large bottle of disinfectant spray from his company, so we've been incorporating that as well, cleaning our phones, our keys, or any items that we bring into the house. It's so weird going through and cleaning every single thing you bring in the house. It makes me realize all of the times that I didn't clean items when I brought into the house, just knowing the germs that we brought in unintentionally. I hope we all keep this up moving forward. After the kitchen, I'm moving on to laundry, and I had so much to do. I decided to get a head start before the weekend. Watching this clip back while I'm editing is making me laugh so much. I was watching a documentary on a K-pop group I like and was so very intently reading the subtitles. I am so focused on the screen the entire time trying to read what they're saying. I don't even know how I got any folding done.
You said that I already know we're better when we're alone. I don't know what to say. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out of your way. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out. I wonder what will happen to us. Yeah, will we be friends or strangers? Feeling left out, losing our time. I miss how you make me laugh, how you make me lose my mind. You make my life every day. You said that I already know we're better when we're alone. I don't know what to say. You don't.
Moving on to the bathroom, I'm giving everything a quick wipe down, sweeping the floors, wiping the windows and the shower, and then I'm gonna use a Swiffer to just quickly mop. I love a clean bathroom, and I feel like it gets dirty so fast just from putting on your makeup or taking a shower or just whatever. So wiping it down after work just makes it feel like a cleaner environment.
I don't wanna give it up tonight. I don't wanna give my life to someone else. Go on my night. Go on my night. Go on my night. Thinking about what I would say. Getting better day by day. Same apartment, different place. Will I ever be the same? You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out of your way. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out. I don't wanna give it up tonight.
Last thing before relaxing for the evening is to wipe down the nightstands. These get so dusty and filled with Brooklyn's dog hair. I'm using a Pledge spray to clean everything down so we're not sneezing when we're laying down. And throughout the day, I've been using these rags that I got on Amazon. They are a microfiber towel that are reusable, so we're not using so much paper towel, and I love them. I'll have them linked down below. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for spending the time with me. I hope this video gave you some motivation for your nighttime routine. Please subscribe if you are new here, like if you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you in a couple of days in a brand new video. Bye!